Alrighty YouTube, today we've got an unboxing. I just walked home from school and just looked in the mailbox to see if anything was here. And my helicopter's here, so let's unbox this. And if you're interested in the knife that I'm using, so I know a lot of you guys like knives. It's a Scout edition. You can see the Scout emblem on it right there. It's the Scout emblem, Kershaw Vapor by Ken Onion. Good knife. I've had it for a long time. Anyways, let's get onto the helicopter. I've got it upside down. I'm just going to tear the package open here. Alrighty. I'm just going to open it up here now. Let's see. Just a little excited to get into this. It's hard to get out. Oh, okay. And by the way, here's the box. It's yeah. I guess it's a T505 or something like that. Anyways, so here's the helicopter. Pretty nice looking one. Here's your remote control with your directional this way and your speed, and I love that. It's not a spring-loaded one, so you set it to a certain speed and you can just have it hover, you know, like that instead of the air hogs remote that is spring loaded. That's okay too, it's just I like these ones that you get up to a certain thing and it goes, you know. So I'm gonna tear this out of the box now. Just gonna have to, I don't know, it's not gonna be too hard. I was just gonna go off camera, like shut the camera off and cut into it, but it's not gonna take that long. So I'm just gonna slice into it on camera. Guess I'll show you what I'm doing, so you don't have to sit there and stare at a chair. Gotta get it under there. Come on, get under there. There we go. There's that. I guess that's it. There we go. There's your helicopter. All metal. It's a cheaper one, I'm fine with that, as long as it flies well. All your blades, kind of cool. This is controlled, and that's controlled. It's got a gyro on it, so. Alright, so this one has, oh gosh, I need to adjust my camera there. This has two LEDs. There's one LED here and one LED here, and then there's another one here. So, cool. Alright, and then you've already seen the remote. Like that. Just, yep, pops right up like that. Alright, so I'm going to throw some batteries in it, get this charged up, and I'll show you guys the first flight. Alright, so while I'm waiting for it to charge, we're going to look at it a little bit here. Good metal frame construction. You've got your arms out here to hold the tail up, real sturdy like. You got your two different motors there. It's kind of a bare helicopter. By what I mean by that is it's just kind of open. I kind of like that. I really like the yellow flames here. It's like yellow with silver flames on there. I think that's kind of cool. It's made by Titan. It's a Titan helicopter. And you got your different blades here, your B blades and your A blades. There's your where you charge it. It's on the opposite side. There's that thing there, whatever that thing is. I've got that same looking thing on my Havoc Heli, on the very bottom of it. So here's some of the specs on it. Main technical index. Fuselage length is 230 millimeters. Main rotor diameter 128 millimeters. Here, I'll just get close here. 42 grams, 15 meters, or whatever. And you could take all this millimeter and change it into centimeter or something. Just go Google it, and you go millimeter to centimeter, whatever. Once you type that in, it should bring up what it's supposed to be. And the phone's ringing. Charge time's about 30 minutes. That's about right. And takes anywhere from 15 to 25, I found. I haven't really had it take 30 minutes yet. Flying time is 8 to 10. And that's about right, yeah. Use batteries slash charger. In other words, you can use the batteries. There's a charger on the remote, and there's also a charger that you plug in USB. I had this plugged into my computer, but right now I've got it plugged into an iPod charger. That works just fine. Helicopter. It's got a 3.7 180 mAh LiPo battery. On their website you can actually get a higher mAh for pretty cheap, actually. They're just tiny little batteries, so they're pretty cheap. If I really want to get more flight time out of this, I'll probably get a larger battery. Transmitter batteries, 6, 1.5 AA batteries. Charging me. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Anyways, so yeah, that's it. And it's just a regular. There's your throttle. Spin it right, spin it left, forwards and backwards. You tilt it forwards and backwards. So, all right, so that's it. See you later, YouTube. I guess we'll do the first flight now. See you later. Bye. All right, YouTube. Sounds like I just got home from school. Got stuff on the bed and stuff on there, and yeah. Anyways, first flight. So you got your lights there. Got your light in the back there. It changes different colors. Oh, keep doing that on accident. Sorry. And got they both run on some different motor. So here we go. We're going to take it off. Here's first flight. May need trimming. It may need no trimming. I'm not sure. Just a little bit of trimming. Spinning to the left a little bit. Man, this thing handles so well. Trim it, trim it. There we go. This thing almost flies itself. Let's go ahead and tilt it forwards here. Whoa! Whoa, don't eat the ceiling. Ah. Tilt it forwards again. You can tilt it backwards. Whoa! Hopefully I'm getting it here on camera. This thing's a lot quieter than my little Havoc Heli. Yeah. Really tight spot where there's a lot of stuff all around me. Took off. You can also tilt backwards. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. It really just almost flies itself. Oops. That's under there now. Do a little bit of a hand takeoff here. Ah, shoot. I'm not going to edit that out. I'm a good person. I don't edit out my mistakes. I do sometimes, but I'm not going to this time. Oops. This thing's just got really, really responsive. Oh, I'm gonna fall over. Very responsive. I like the lights on the front. There's a little red gyro. I don't know what the gyro is. I think that's, if I'm correct, I think that's the blade spinning in opposite direction. I think that's gyro. I'm not sure. And then you've got your blade on the back that adjusts your tilt. And your little light here. So actually we're going to go outside now. As long as it's not, no, there's really no wind. I'm looking at a tree outside right now. And there's really no wind, so let's go outside and see how she flies up there. Alright, so there's just a little bit of a breeze. I think it should be fine though. Yeah, it's just fine. Whoa. Oh, found a tree. Sitting right over there now. Right there. Alright, so flies good inside and outside. If there's no wind outside, it would fly a lot better. So, cool. See you later, YouTube. Bye.